In this one, we're gonna be going over this delicious chicken sandwich. Buttermilk fried chicken, green goddess, some maitake mushrooms on a brioche bun. That's so good. For the chicken thighs, I went ahead and took out cleaned, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. You can buy these at the store as is, or you could just go ahead and take the bones and skin off yourself. We're gonna go ahead and marinate them in buttermilk. But I didn't find buttermilk at the store. So what I can do is I can do just some whole milk and some sour cream. So once I've made my buttermilk, I also added some tapatio hot sauce to it. You could also add any other kind of hot sauce that you like. I just like the flavor of the hot sauce in the dredge. Dredge your chicken in that. You could do it overnight, or if you're in a pinch, 30 minutes. Overnight is best. And then we're gonna go into dredging. I do cornstarch, flour, plus the spices that you see here down below with a pinch of salt. Once our bird is ready to dredge, we go ahead and take it from the buttermilk to the flour. Now, this is something I can't stress enough. Squeeze your chicken, I know it sounds weird, squeeze your chicken into the dredge. Not too hard, not too soft. You wanna kind of rip it a little bit. That will help us to get all those beautiful little ridges so we have nice little crispy textures, just like your favorite fried chicken chain. Then from there, have it on a sheet tray, and I'm just gonna pop it into the fryer right here. I've got some neutral oil. This is rice oil, by the way. Now, toss your chicken into the fryer at around 350 degrees Fahrenheit and cook it until GBD, golden brown and delicious all around, and an internal temp of 165. Okay, once our chicken is done, set it aside, keep it somewhere warm, and then we're gonna get onto our sauce. I am making what's called a green goddess. We're gonna do garlic chives, tarragon, all the ingredients that you see in the ingredient list down below. We blend that all up with our oil, and then it's gonna get emulsified with our egg yolks to create a mayo. This is gonna be a beautiful topping. It's refreshing as well. Now, for the green goddess mayo, we take that green oil that we created and we emulsify it into some mustard with egg yolk in a food processor. Drizzle it in slowly, just like as if you're making a mayo. Once that's all emulsified, we will then season it to taste with some salt and citric acid, or lemon juice if you don't have citric acid. Then we should be left with this. Now I'm gonna make this mushroom relish. My favorite mushrooms, maitake mushrooms. I'm going to bake them off. I put a sheet tray in the oven first, by the way, heat that up, and then I toss them on so I get a nice initial sear. Once those are fully cooked, I will mix them in a bowl with some pickled red peppers, rice wine vinegar, and some extra virgin olive oil. Toss that up with some black pepper, and there we go. We have a beautiful looking condiment. All there's left to do is build the sandwich. On a toasted brioche bun, we're gonna throw on our green goddess dressing, some bib lettuce, then our nice mushroom condiment, followed by the fried chicken, and then a bun that has more of the green goddess, and there we go. We have a beautiful fried chicken sandwich, just like this with green goddess. That's so good.
Messy.
Very messy.
So good though.
Right?
Perfect.
It's delicious.